If you have made it to this point, you have officially made your team. But you may also need to add channels and members to specific channels. Think of a channel as a specific room in the house. The team is the house or home that everyone comes home to meet, and think of a channel as a room as everyone's own working space. You may need that channel for different periods in the same subject. Stick with me and we're going to get in the zone with iZone, creating channels and adding members with me, Education Ebony. Now that you have officially created your team and added members, we kind of want to organize our team to accommodate our schedule as teachers and organize our students so they'll know where to go or what session or section to join during a specific time. So one way to do that is to add or create channels and add members to those specific channels. So the first thing we're going to do is create this channel. So if you look right beneath your logo, E1, you're going to see English 1. Okay, you're going to click the 3 ellipses, which is for more options. Click that. And you're going to choose this second option, Add Channel, highlighted in gray. We want to give this channel a name and we want to be logical. So if this is your entire English 1 team, you want to go ahead and create a channel maybe for the periods of English. So yes, this is my English 1 class. Now I am going to create a channel specifically for a second period class, okay? All English students will come to this team, but only second period will come to this channel. Think of teams as a big house. Think of channel as many rooms in the house. So everyone has their own room. Okay. Now I'm going to go down to privacy. This is very important. Okay. Standard allows everyone on the team to access this period. So Mr. Dillon and Miss Veery, if those are your 2 students and they're on this team, okay, they'll be able to access the second period classroom. But suppose Mr. Dillon is the only student that's assigned to second period according to PowerSchool. Well, we want to safeguard that and minimize interruptions and distractions, and we want to make sure students can attend the appropriate class at the appropriate time. So you don't have to let this be standard. You can change it to private. I choose private. I only want specific students in this particular class, and I do not want other students who shouldn't be in second period English, maybe they should be in 5th, interfering with class instruction time. So I have now changed my privacy settings to private, accessible only to a specific group of people within the team. They must be added to the team and added to this channel to gain access. Now I want to go ahead and add that particular student who should be in second period, which would be Jalen Dillon. Notice how we didn't add Celeste Veery because she's going to be in maybe our 5th period class. Okay. And specific teachers, because teachers, you've given them owner status, they can bounce back and forth between whichever channel you want despite the setting. But if you just want to add someone different, you can. So I'll go ahead and add my ESL teacher, but you don't have to. Maybe you want to add a different teacher. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Now you are done. You officially have your second period English class, okay? And notice how there is a lock here. That lets you know that this class session is private. Not everyone who's on this team or from anywhere can just jump into this class. That's like being in your physical classroom and locking your door or safeguarding your door, okay? So you're safeguarding your door virtually, okay? Now you can post nice little messages here just for that second period class, like so. And only second period will see that message and they can click and give you a thumbs up.